motherfucker from Kentucky, yeah, you know it's me. My flow exceeds most MCs, just hoping somebody would notice me. Can't control this beast when the flow's unleashed, it's over, Weezy, go to sleep. Only battle you've ever won is the fight for your mother's ovary. Homie, please give me one try, no duplicity, I'm unsigned. Floated to beat while rolling the weed, too slow to speak. Tongue-tied, you wonder why I'm so fucking fly, cause I'm not descendant. Pretending to be something I'm not is out of the question. Never fought on my rage shit, I'm always relentless. My sound is tremendous, leave all other rappers defenseless. I'm gonna swing for fences, rip out your eyes and use for playing Pong. Don't take me wrong, I'm saying Spawn, trying to get it on with Stacy's mom. Wait, be calm, scratch that, bitch, won't take me long. My spaz out, make you tap out and still break your arm. You feel me now? Don't mistake the charm. I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing, and I just ate the farm. You're facing harm, coming at me's the wrong move, so I suggest you move along, dude, and take your songs too. I'm the realest, people feeling my lyrics, cause they can relate to what I'm saying, no matter what race or religion. Living life behind bars, but what I'm facing ain't prison. I got pages of written, it'll take 20 days if I spit them. Patient, listen, blazing, sizzling, raging, I'm a wild man. But hey, I've risen, I'd say I'm winning, you can't hate on my style, man. I'm winning this race by a motherfucking mile, man, and I demand some motherfucking respect. I'm flyer than Superman, shit, your suicidal hands. You and your stupid band quit, cause I'm the man. Bitch, just spittin', I'm a little drunk, listen, I got tunnel vision and lead with a pencil. Duck, bitches, you came to fuck, bitches, I came to beat up and hang those lame-os. Your life's Pulp Fiction, mine's the diary of a madman, straight facts. You want a pound? I break backs. Take that, lay flat, bye-bye. I'm higher than state tax and fly for a white guy. Listen, wise guy, you know I'll end you quick. Illest to ever live, reppin' NKY forever, kid. Remember this, I am clever, even under pressure. KY all day, home of the bar professor. Lost for days, nah I mean.